Having trouble with the volume shadow copy error? 0x80042304? Let's fix it step by step, so you can restore and back up without any hassle. Let's start by fixing the issue step by step. First, search for services in the Start menu. And open it. Now, double-click on Microsoft Software Shadow Copy. In the Startup Type drop-down, select Automatic. Click Apply, then OK. Click Restart. Next, double-click on Volume Shadow Copy. Set the Startup Type to Automatic. Click Apply, then OK. Click Restart. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Now, let's move on to the next solution. Search for CMD in the Start menu. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes if prompted. Now, copy and paste the command cd per day %windir% to system 32 from the video description and run it in Command Prompt. Next, copy and paste netstop VSS and hit Enter. Then, run netstop swprv and press Enter. Now, type regsvr32 032.dll and hit Enter. Click OK. Next, run regsvr32 0x80042304 and press Enter. Click OK. Run regsvr32 vss_ps.dll and press Enter. Click OK. Now type vssvc/register and press Enter. Next, run regsvr32/isvprv.dll and hit Enter. Run our regsvr32/iEventsils.dll and press Enter. Then type regsvr32 yes.dll and hit Enter. Run a regsvr32 stdprov.dll and press Enter. Click OK. Now, run regsvr32 vsue.dll and press Enter. Type regsvr32 msxml.dll and hit Enter. Then run us regsvr32 msxml3.dll and hit Enter. Finally, type regsvr32 msxml4.dll and press Enter. Now, let's restart the services. Run netstart swprv and hit Enter. Then, run netstart vss and hit Enter. Type exit and press Enter. Right-click on the Windows Start menu and select Restart. That's it. Your system should now be fixed. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.